Alright, so update for today. Today is Sunday, and as we're recording this, I did kind of skip yesterday because I had a bit of an issue uploading my video on Friday night, and yesterday I was really busy with my math test, so hopefully that went well. I don't know yet. However, I'm back today, and I got one new piece, but to replace this one. So I don't know if you remember one of the previous updates, I had a thigh piece print. This was the top piece for the left thigh, and it came out kind of rough right here because it just didn't finish. So it went wrong near the end. However, I got that fixed with this one, so it actually finished. And so it looks obviously a lot better, actually complete this time. So I got these done, and now I am working on a couple other pieces right now. I'll go ahead and show you what I got on the printer. All right, so that's the printer right there. It's just leveling right now. I have two new shoulder pieces going, not shoulder pads, but the pieces that go under the shoulder. So I'm kind of just working on the torso area and the upper back. So that's gonna be what I'm gonna start printing now and get that done probably within the next 2 weeks if I can, most likely. And then over here, I just got stuff really cleaned up. I was cleaning up a lot today, so still got the flag going. Still got to fix that printer. I'm gonna try to do that tonight as of recording this. And then just got my bag and pieces right there. So just kind of did a little bit of a cleanup today. That's pretty much about it. Anyway, so that is about it for this Sunday update. Not too much, but I will have more done this week, and I'll see you tomorrow.